want to acknowledge just that, experiencing your partner avoiding you can feel very lonely. You might start telling yourself that they don't care or love you or you don't matter and you're not important to them. Or you may even question your own self and your worthiness, and all of that can be hurtful. But usually, if someone is avoidant or withdrawn, they are actually trying to protect themselves from something. It may have been an adaptive survival strategy that has been useful for them in the past. Something maybe in the current relationship with you may trigger that or stir that up, their sense of danger. So they may kind of automatically start avoiding and doing the strategy they are familiar with. So creating a sense of safety actually is very important. If you can somehow honor their protection and try to understand, yeah, the good reason they are trying to protect themselves, that may actually create a sense of safety for them. Also notice when they're avoiding, what does it trigger in you actually? What does it stir in you and how do you react? And if you can stay curious about your partner and yourself in these interactions, then maybe there'll be more connection.